In a world that often prizes force, there is a quieter, more profound strength. It's the strength of gentle resolve. We are taught that to make a change, we must push, we must insist, we must be loud. But gentleness often solves what force only prolongs. Think of the clenched fist, a symbol of tension and resistance. Now imagine the open hand, ready to receive, to give, to connect. This is the first step, an internal shift from opposition to openness. Not every situation improves through intensity. Sometimes the most powerful action is to pause, to listen, not just to the words, but to the silence between them, to the feelings that are left unspoken. True listening is an act of gentleness. It creates a space where understanding can finally take root. When we encounter a knot, our first instinct might be to pull it tighter with frustration. But force only makes the tangle worse. Gentleness, with its patience and precision, finds the way to undo the knot, thread by thread. This is how gentleness shortens conflict. Consider the power of a soft word, a quiet apology, a calm explanation. These are not signs of weakness, but of immense inner security. They are the tools that build bridges over the chasms dug by anger and pride. This practice begins in the small moments. The choice to let another car merge into traffic. The decision to offer a compliment instead of a critique. The simple act of holding a door. Each is a quiet vote for a kinder world. Empathy is the heart of gentleness. It is the ability to feel with another person, to stand with them in their reality without judgment. It is the quiet understanding that says, I am here with you. And this gentleness must also be turned inward. Be kind to yourself. Forgive your own mistakes. Acknowledge your own struggles with the same compassion you would offer a friend. You cannot pour from an empty cup, like a plant that needs water and sunlight. Our relationships and our own well-being require gentle, consistent care to flourish. Force may break the branch, but gentleness helps it grow toward the light. So today, look for an opportunity. Where you might have pushed, try yielding. Where you might have argued, try listening. Where you might have demanded, try offering. Try gentleness where possible. See what unfolds.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.